In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get your first pull-up and how to increase your pull-up reps if you're still stuck. The pull-up exercise mainly works your back and your biceps. So if you want to get that V-taper look, pull-ups is the exercise that you should do. Now, for those who can't do a single pull-up yet, here are the progressions or exercises that you should do to get your first pull-up rep. First things first, let's talk about the pull-up form. When you're doing a pull-up, you should always activate your scapulas or your back muscles before doing a single pull-up. This way, your back is going to be the main muscle working instead of your biceps. Now, for the first exercise, look for a low bar, or you can pretty much do this under a table. This exercise is called the bodyweight rows. This exercise is perfect for those people who still can't pull their full body weight. Include this in your workouts and I can guarantee you will get your first pull-up rep in no time. Now, once you get strong with the bodyweight rows, you can try doing jumping pull-ups. Jumping pull-ups is like the pull-up negative, except you're not just doing negatives. You're gonna try and jump up to the bar and slowly try to fight the gravity that's pulling you down. Then once you feel strong at that exercise, you can try doing the pull-up negatives. Jump up to the bar and slowly lower yourself as slow as you can by using your back and your biceps plus your grip strength. This exercise is a real strength builder when it comes to getting your first pull-up. And if you want a more challenging version of this, you can try slowly lowering yourself down for 3 to 5 seconds. And once you get strong at those exercises, you can now try doing a single pull-up. Congratulations on being able to do your first pull-up, and I'm proud of you, bro. Now, most of you will probably ask, how will I get my pull-ups up to 10, 15, or even 20 reps? Well, because I care about you guys, I'm gonna tell y'all a little secret. Every morning or every afternoon, every midnight, every time you're free, do pull-ups. If you guys have a pull-up bar at the park or at home, make it a habit that when you pass that doorway, when you pass that pull-up bar, you'll be doing your pull-up reps. This is called the greasing the groove method, and this works also on your push-ups. So if you're trying to increase your pull-ups and push-up reps, try this out. Again, it doesn't matter how many pull-ups you can do, as long as you're doing pull-ups every single day or every time you're free, it will increase. Now, that is all for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.